Welcome everybody to today's video. Today we're taking a look at Remax's budget earphone. It's called the Vibration Earphones. Apparently these earbuds give you some vibration whenever you're gaming or listening to music or movies. And it's got 4 speaker units, 2 moving coils, and apparently 2 vibration speakers to give the imported vibration units. No idea what that means. It's got high performance configuration, which gives you a game and movie experience. So let's give that a try. I got this for about $69, it says here, but I bought it for about $50 on sale. You can get it on Lazada as well. So let's unbox this thing. This reminds me of the VHS tapes that you would get in the 80s, if you remember that. It comes in this kind of sleeve, so let's pull it out. Wow, okay, this is not bad. Nice presentation alert. So you got a Remax branding down here, nothing much else. You got the headphones, snugly fit. 1, 2. So let's get them out. Okay, you get the earphones. Let's pull it out. So here's the earphones. They look a little bit long, to be honest. You got the earphone orientations printed on top. You got the right and left earbud. So it's kind of long. I can see why they have 2 drivers in them. And when I tap on them, I actually feel the vibration. Oh, that's not bad. Can't wait to try this out. So this leads up to an inline mic. You have just one button here actually. I guess this is to end and answer calls. I'll dive more in that. So that leads up to a... Wait, let me remove this quick tie. That leads up to a splitter, and thereafter the cable is braided. So it leads up to a 3.5mm headphone jack at the end. Get this booklet here. Okay, that's about it. There's nothing else in the box. Is there anything down here? Nope. It's just a simple box. So once again, here's the earphones. Have a look. Foam. This is a bit of a rubber cap. It's not really a foam. Okay, based on the box here, this looks like the strong lows cap. So that's what's fitted on here. Yeah, actually, I did not see any spare earbuds. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's a box in here. It seems like it. Yep. Okay, I can remove this. Oh, there you go. Okay. So I was wrong. Sorry, Remax, about that. There you go. Got a plastic here which contains more ear caps. So let's have a look. 2 types of ear caps. So the one fitted on, I guess, is the medium one. This is the large ear cap for the strong lows, and this should be the one for the weak lows. This depends on individual preferences. Which would you like, stronger or lower bass? Well, let me get all this configured, put all this aside, plug it into my phone, and I'll come back to you. Okay, after some extensive testing, these are my thoughts. These earphones are generally muddy. For 50 ringgit, you really can't expect much from this pair of earphones. The treble to the mids to the bass are all muddy, even at maximum volume or even at the lower volumes. It doesn't necessarily distort at higher volumes, but it's also because it's all muddy. So I've been using this with my Galaxy Note 8 and with its internal audio deck, with Dolby Atmos engaged, with all my equalizers set for this pair of earphones, I'm still getting it all muddy. Especially if I go with the strong low caps. I've got this weak low cap on, and this provides better sound separation, especially when you're gaming. Now this pair of earbuds are generally marketed for PUBG players, and this pair of earphone is supposed to help accentuate the feeling of gaming with PUBG. But the problem with this, it's so muddy that especially when you put on the strong low cap, everything becomes too much bassy and you really can't hear much. You can't really distinguish the footsteps, or you can't really hear footsteps that are coming from a distance, or even guys snaking. With my recommendation, I would suggest that you would go with this one pair of cap, and you adjust your equalizer in your phone and you go along with that. So for music, if you were to go with the strong bass caps, that is a better choice. You get more bass, you get more punch, and if you can adjust your equalizer, then you could have better vocals or treble depending on what you like. Stereo separation is still poor for both music and for gaming and for movies. It's just too muddy. For podcasts as well, I think the strong bass caps are better. You can get a better low end, and with equalizer adjustments, you'll be fine. Now for the highlight of this earphones, the vibration feature. Basically, I think they've designed this in a way that you have two drivers to give you the music, and another two drivers which just serves as subwoofer. As I tap on this, I can actually feel the vibration. So as the other two drivers vibrate, you're just getting that sense of vibration. It generally resonates in its chamber. I can actually feel it in my fingers right now. So putting it on just gives you that extra vibration kind of feature, not necessarily a big punch whenever you're shooting or movies or music, because as in itself, everything is muddy. So all you're going to hear is a lot of muddiness and a lot of vibration. So this may not be to your liking if you were to go out and purchase this expecting a lot. And believe it or not, the stock Apple earpods that come with the iPhones, yeah, they have better stereo separation than these. And this is an audio test recorded with the inline mic recorded on my iPhone 5S. This is generally the sound that you're going to get for the video calls and your voice calls. Okay, obviously the build quality is cheap, but I guess for 50 ringgit it suffices. And I gotta say the braided cable actually looks nice. So it's really not that cheap. It seems sturdy enough. I don't think the cable will snap anytime soon. Overall, I guess I'm okay that I've spent 50 ringgit on this. It's not to say it's atrocious or anything. It's a brilliant idea for the money that they are charging for this. Anyway, to wrap things up, I will be definitely giving away this pair of earphones to a lucky subscriber of mine. All you gotta do is just subscribe, give me a like on this video, and comment down below on why you would like it. And at my 100th subscriber, I will start just picking out at random, and I will send these guys to you for free. Just a disclaimer, this giveaway will only be for Malaysia. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.